Welcome, from me is an Alcatel 3X, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from the SIM card to the device. And to get started, simply open up the standalone contacts app, which is gonna be located in the Google folder. And from here, I'm just gonna skip signing in. So from here, you can see there is no contacts. Tap on the three bars, go to settings, and from the bottom choose import SIM card. And by default, all the contacts will be selected. So what you want to do is deselect the contacts that you don't want, like so. And from there, simply tap on the checkbox. You will see two SIM contacts imported. That's at least the number for me. And if we go back, you can see them right over here. And that is how you would import your contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.